Do you see this coin BR/USDT with a N letter in a green background? This coin was listed about 4 days ago, and what if you actually, let me click on it, what if you actually bought this coin before it gets listed? You would have made at least some profit depending on your capital. And in this video, I'm going to show you what a lot of YouTubers are hiding from you. I'm going to show you how you can actually buy these coins before they get listed. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry. All what you need to do is to subscribe to this channel and stick to this video till the very end, so that you will learn and hear every part of what I'm going to say. In case you want to carry out an arbitrage, let me say an arbitrage like this, you will be able to make money to yourself. If I go to the candlestick of this coin moved from here, from this point to the all-time high here. In this video, I'm going to take you through and show you how you can make profit from unlisted coin. In case you want to invest in a project like this, what you need to look out for, I will talk about all those things in this video. This coin was listed on the 20th of this month, and today is 4th. So this is about 4 days when it got listed. What I normally do is, before I invest in a project, make sure that I do my thorough research, either from exchanges, top exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, Mexi, Gate.io, and I will make sure that the project is found in one of the exchanges. This project, I found it on Gate.io. I think I participated in their airdrops. Make sure that the coin is legit. Don't just go and do any IDO project, ICO project, and IEO project. Don't just go and do any one of them. Make sure that the one that you want to do is has been talked about by some top exchanges. Okay, that will guarantee you that the project is actually legit. So first of all, let's move to the platform that you can actually buy this coin before it gets listed. What you need to look out for, the next website, or they also have an app. So if you want to use their app, you can also use their app. If you want to use their website, you can also use their website. Is CryptoRank. CryptoRank allows you, it's just like it's similar to coin market cap. It tells you about the analytics of a coin, and also gives you an upper hand for all the new coin that is about to be listed, all upcoming coin and active coins. So what you do is, assuming you have seen a project or one of the top exchanges talk about any project, you can actually come here to search for the project. Or if not, you just come to where you see IDO/ICO, you click on it. These are some of the IDO projects. Some of them have ended, and some are still going on. You can see the coin I was telling you. For instance, you can see the name of the coin is Bedrock. Abbreviation for this coin is BR. They actually carry out IDO projects and IEO projects at the same time. What this IDO stand for is initial desk offering, and IEO stand for initial exchange offering. For instance, some of you used to go to a particular exchange, and you see they carry out airdrops, they carry out launch pool. It is that is a project for a new coin. So if you go into an exchange and you see a project, that project in a short form is IEO project, because the project is being carried out in the exchange for people, for new investor to come in. If you scroll to this point, you can see price, you can see sell price, you can see ROI, you can see all-time ROI. But what we actually want to check out for is this sell price. See, this coin got listed 4 days ago, and I see the current price is 0.204, while the sell price is 0.104. What this sell price means that the price you can actually buy this coin while it was still not listed. I don't mean you bought this coin before it get listed, you would have made a profit. And you can see the current price here, and this was the price, initial price before it got listed, and you would have made 2 times of your money. So I'm going to show you how you can buy coins before it gets listed. That's the main aim of this video. So if you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime I post new videos like this. So coming down here, you will see this is Binance Wallet. Binance Wallet is, apart from Get.io, Binance Wallet is the only decentralized exchange that is offering this coin. So if you want to buy this coin at its sell price before it get listed, you come to Binance Wallet. So let me take you to Binance Wallet and show you how you can actually buy this coin before it gets listed. So once you are on your Binance, if you don't have account on Binance, you can actually go to your Google Play Store, install it and create an account with it. The account has exchange account and wallet account. So there, it's actually a two different thing between exchange and wallet. So I'm not going to explain that in this video. If you actually want to do that, you can actually search for the differences. Okay, so what I want to you know that is, once you are on your Binance, you need to click on assets and click on wallet. It is going to pop up an interface like this. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so once an interface like this pop up, you need to click on trade. Just click on trade. You can see actually search for this coin before it get listed. So if you click on trade, you can see swap, you can see swap. Just leave it on swap. Once you leave it on swap, you search in the name of the coin you actually want to purchase. I'm just showing you. I don't say you should go and buy this coin now because it has already been listed, and if you want to buy it now, you buy it at the current price. Now you assuming you knew about the coin before it was listed, you would have actually come here and do this exact what I'm showing you here. So assuming if you have like $20 that you want to invest in this project, you just click on it, type in 20 USDT. So 20 USDT is going to give you this amount. But if actually you come across this coin before it gets listed, the value of this coin would have been much more than this one you are saying here. Make sure that you have some USDT or some BNB that you want to use and purchase the coin. Just make sure you have the amount that you actually want to purchase the coin in your Binance wallet before you carry out this transaction. What did I actually talk about in this video? The first thing was, if you find a project and you have done your thorough research and you are convinced that the project is actually legit, and you go to cryptorank.com, I know there are a lot of websites that actually offer you that can actually offer the same thing crypto rank is offering you. You can actually go there to your favorite website and check where you can actually buy this coin before it gets listed. So for me, I use crypto rank. I go to crypto rank, I check in the project, and I also check in where I can buy it. So once I know where it's been listed, and buy it at a very low rate before it gets listed on exchanges, major exchanges. So assuming you've bought this coin, let's go to our case.io. Let's assume you bought this coin at this price 104. That was the sell price on Binance wallet before it gets listed. Imagine you bought this coin at this price. Let me say you do it with, let me say you bought it with 50 USDT. With 50 USDT, you would have gotten 480.76 cents. Okay, and right now the price of this coin is over 0.2 cents. Okay, let's say you sold it at 0.206, you would have made a profit almost $100. If actually you bought this coin before it gets listed at that price of 0.104, you would have made a profit. Now you have made at least 49 profit from your $50 or from your 50 USDT. Or let's say you do it with 500 USDT. Let's say you do it with 500 USDT. 500 USDT. Assuming you bought it with 500 USDT and you now sold it at this current market price, now you would have made 900, you have made 990.3 cents, and your profit here would have been, and if you deduct your startup capital, you will be left with 490 USDT. So you can actually see that engaging in unlisted coin, like coin that has not been listed yet before it actually gets listed, is actually good. Just make sure that you find the right coin. So at least I have shown you ways you can actually get this coin before it gets listed.